Hey guys, welcome back to the channel EduCool Zone, and today we are going to learn about the last topic in operator, which is nothing but the special operator. So let's get started. Here, the special operator is named special for a reason, okay? Because all these operators here are special, okay? So here there are four types of operators, which is star, ampersand, which is hand, and question mark and colon, and as well as comma. Okay, these operators are used in a special condition or a special use. Okay, each and every operators as a special use. So this might lead into some confusion over here, because here, as you can see, there is star in the special operator and there is a star in the arithmetic operator as well. Well, in arithmetic operator, the star is used to perform multiplication. But here, this star is basically known as pointer. Okay. So it basically depends on how it is used. The star used in arithmetic is used with the values. Here it is used with the variables. Okay. So next, coming to the AND. So again, this might lead into a confusion. AND is used in special operator and it is used in bitwise AND operator as well. So the AND used here is for address, okay, to get the address of a particular variable. So we're going to look into that with the example program. So this is question mark and colon. This is basically used as an if else statement. Okay, I've thought about if else statement. We are going to go in depth about if else statement. In my previous videos, I've thought just in a basic way. So here question mark and colon is known as the ternary operator. Okay, ternary operator. And you know about comma. Comma is used to differentiate between things. I mean, over here you can see the example of comma. So it means b is equals to 1 is separate and c is equals to 4 is separate, because I'm using the comma over here. That's why comma is used. This is one of the special operator in C. Okay, now if you can see over here, I am declaring a variable a with the value 3, but I'm using this star over here. What does this star indicate? It indicates that this particular a variable is a pointer. So now you might ask the question, what do we mean by pointer? Well, pointer is basically a variable which stores the address of another variable. Okay, that's all. It's that simple. So why should we use this pointer? It is used to reduce the memory allocation. For example, if we use a float variable, for example, if I just give a is equal to 3.15 in a float, it is going to consume 4 bytes, right? It is going to consume 4 bytes. To reduce this memory allocation, I'm just gonna point this a to this a. Okay, then it's gonna be like, for example, I have just created this int star b, which is nothing but a pointer. I'll just comment it. So I'm going to assign this pointer with the a value. Now this pointer's memory is just 2 bytes. Okay, so you are storing a 4-byte value in just 2 bytes, so it is saving a memory, right? That's why the pointer is used. So you can say any variable is a pointer when you precede it with a star. Okay, so this is a pointer which is storing the value 3. I am printing this particular pointer over here. As you can see in the output, we have got 3. Okay, this is about the first special operator, which is star, nothing but pointer. Okay, next, coming to ampersand, which is address. So basically every value is stored at an address. Okay, like have given over here, right? B is equals to 1, right? I am storing that one value in the variable b, which is allocated in the memory of my computer. Okay, that memory will be having a particular address. I'm going to print that address. That's all. As you can see in this print statement, I am giving ampersand b with a format specifier as percentage d. We are going to discuss about format specifier. For now, just worry about this ampersand b. Okay, which means I am trying to get the address of this variable b by preceding it with ampersand symbol. Okay, as you can see over here, the output is something like this. Okay, this is the address of that b. Okay, b is stored in this location, so that's why ampersand symbol is used. Okay, now coming to the ternary operator. Okay, so the ternary operator is, as I said, it's basically an if else statement. So now the first thing, this entire thing is a ternary operator. So let's see how it works. For the first thing you have to do is give a condition. Okay, here I have declared a variable b and c with the value 1 and 4. Now I'm giving a condition. So here in this part, it's going to be stored something like this. I'll write it in the next line. So in the place of b there is 1 less than, in the place of a there is 3, right? So okay, I'll just make it c. In the place of c there is 4. So is this true? Is 1 less than 4, which is true. Okay, if this condition is true, this particular statement after the question mark is going to be executed, which says b is lesser, right? If this statement is false, then this particular statement after this colon is going to be executed, which says c is lesser. Okay, in this case, as you can see over here, we get b is lesser. I'm just gonna run this once because I changed that. If I run this, as you can see over here, b is lesser since 1 is less than 4. If I change the value as 0 over here and then try to run this, then this is going to be executed, which says c is lesser. As you can see over here, c is lesser. In the place of b, it's going to be 1. In the place of c, it's going to be 0. Well, 1 is not less than 0, it is false. Hence, if the condition is false, this particular statement is going to be executed. Okay, so that's all about the ternary operator. Now again, the comma operator, I just said what comma is. It's basically used for differentiation, right? Here I've used this comma, which says this is separate and this variable is separate. Okay, so that's why comma operator is used. This entire thing is separate and this variable is separate to differentiate. Okay, that's why comma operator is used. So this is all about the special operator, and this ends with the types of operator as well. So if you have enjoyed the lecture, please click on the like button and make sure you subscribe for the channel. We are going to discuss about the structure of C programming in the upcoming lecture. So stay tuned. Thank you.